Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thank you for viewing my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to be discussing how to create an Instagram video story. Now, a couple weeks ago I came across this program called Placeit.net, and this is what we're going to be utilizing right now instead of Canva or any program. Now, this is one of the best software programs I've seen out there so far, and you could use this for small businesses, or if you just want to use this on your own, you can. Now, there's a lot of different options. So you go to mockups, you could go to designs, you go to logos, videos, also gaming. So in this one, we're gonna just go to videos and then Instagram stories, and then we're gonna click on this template right here, business conference. Right now, it's gonna go ahead and open up. Let's see. Alright, and now this is how it looks. As you can see, it's a basic template. So in my niche, which is the entrepreneurial niche, so we could just leave the picture in there the way it is. Alright, let's see here. And then we're just going to change the wording of it. Right, so I'm going to type in successful solution method. Then we're going to replace the time and date. Five p.m. Eastern time. Right, and then we're going to load it up to see how it looks so far. And then we're going to change this out as well. Right, and then we're going to load it up again. Each time you change it, it's going to load the preview. And then we're going to change this as well. We're going to just change this to call to action, click link in bio. Alright, and let's see how that looks. Okay, and that's how it looks so far. Now, what you could do is, let's see, you could change the color on here. See how this green looks. Alright. And so this is the color. I'm going to choose a darker blue. Okay, so now that I have it to where I want it, so we're going to go ahead and play the video to see how that looks. Alright, so it's currently loading up right now. Alright, and this is how it looks. It's pretty professional looking. Alright. Now, if you're interested in more tutorials, just be sure to click my blog in the description. And if you want to get started with Placeit and creating your own designs and templates, I do have the link in the description as well too. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for viewing my channel.